Water is life. But when it rises beyond control, it becomes a force of unimaginable destruction.
I was screaming, give the baby to us. Ek is Charmaine Adams van hulle bekend is, die gaat.
This is the level of 1st of June that this yard was filled with water.
Die kinders, toe my dogtertjie begin hysteries skree en die babatjie begin huil want sy kon nie loop in die water nie. Ons moes haar die hele tyd hou. Het ek gedink, ek weet nie wat om te doen nie. Hoe gaan ek hulle help as ek myself, ek kan nie swem nie.
Leaving behind shattered homes, broken dreams, and communities struggling to rebuild. This is
We were not prepared for this, for what happened. En die force van die water, die leer wil nie stilstaan nie. Want toe moes ek oor die deur klim. Dit was debris, dit was glase, dit was bottles, dit was bome, dit was stompe, dit was alles.
The water pushed me right through my garage, back to my other garage door. I opened that door and I jumped into my house, where my husband was already standing at the back by the kitchen door, trying to keep the water out. And I started screaming to my 21-year-old daughter, who just had a baby of 2 weeks old and a C-section. I was screaming to her, come, let's get out of here, because she was screaming, Mommy, my.
In the midst of the chaos, humanity emerges. Neighbors pulling each other from the wreckage.
And as I looked up, my neighbors, the Salis, they were screaming, give the baby to us.
Die aand met die vloed, toe ons wakker raak in die nag toe, was dit besig om hard te reën en ewe skielik toe is alles onder water. Ons kon nie voor of agter uitgaan nie. Ons het gedink ons gaan dood want niemand kon ons help nie.
Die is nou wat ek nou uitgedra het. Net om te hou as bewyse. Want ek kan hulle tog nog nie in die huis los nie. Hulle is stikkend.
This is my main bedroom. The 1st of June flood took the wardrobes. And this is how it still looks after the 21st of October.
We were left here in the dark for so many weeks and also without water. We had no support, not from municipality or the government. The people that came to our aid was Red Cross and Gift of the Givers. Community members were helpful. They gave food parcels and we had food. But we had to deal with cleaning up. And then we have to pay for this cleaning up because the house, the stench was unbearable. Because this wasn't rainwater that came into our homes.
It was sewage water. So this whole house, everything of us just was destroyed. We had to get rid of everything.
Eers die volgende dag toe die water heeltemal gesak is, kon ons sien. Ek het gedink ons gaan dood, ons gaan dit nie maak nie.
Up to now, I'm still anxious. Just the thought of rain. And lately, I just go sleep because I don't want to see what is coming next.
As the waters recede, the true strength of a community rises. Together, we rebuild.